Alright, I'm going to do my next video on Rain. He's being so silly, buddy. It's okay. So he greets you with a hiss and a little bit of a growl. And that's because he probably was born outdoors, probably hasn't had a family yet, and doesn't really know how to act, but his genetic makeup is good. I mean, he's purring right now. So he just needs someone to kind of show him the ropes. Can you hear? Heck of a purr. So he's learning the ropes pretty fast. But you get that initial hiss and concern. So no kids, just because, you know, he doesn't have kid experience. In my first video, I indicated that he would go with vanilla. And at this point, I'm thinking that they could go together, but they don't have to go together. He's definitely the more social one, or socialized one. We've gotten some little purrs from her, but not as much. So if you are interested in both, be sure you ask about both. Click right above the pictures for each one so you get on the list for both. If you're just interested in this guy, that's fine. He certainly could be the only cat. He could be with older kids, I think, who are interested in doing a rescue project and learning a little bit about rescue and helping out the cat that needs some work. He could go with another cat, certainly. He's not anti-cat by any means. I would say not a bully of a cat, but a nice, easygoing, soft personality cat, and he'd be great. He's seen the vet, he's in good shape, and he's actually, I believe, just about vetted and ready to go. So we just need to get him home where someone can work with him. You're going to need to start in a smaller space. The more space you give these cats, the more frightened they are. So you do need to start in a smaller space, and he's going to make great progress, as you can see. Even look at during this video. Look, we almost have belly rubs.